Hey guys, I am so excited for this video. Today we are taking regular old Dollar Tree items, things that you probably find every time you go in store, and we are making fabulous things. I have so much to share. Let's jump into it. All the items featured in this video are those everyday finds. Things like mugs and rope, those mini canvases. You can put these DIYs together for about $2 each and in just a couple of minutes. And the first thing I want to show you are these simple lanterns. Now I made this DIY on my channel a couple of years ago, but I wanted to try this updated version because it's so easy. You simply need a solar light and any pretty jars from the Dollar Tree. Pull your solar lantern apart and simply stick it inside of the jars. These look incredible on a back patio at night, and they even look really beautiful inside. And I've found the solar lights still work if you keep them inside. I love those things that when people come over, they go, "That's so gorgeous." And you're like, "Yeah, I made it all from Dollar Tree products." Next, we're making these beautiful mountain mugs. Go to the Dollar Tree and just get some white mugs and then take some nail polish that you already have at home. This was all over Pinterest a few years ago, and here's how to get the mountain look. Take an old container and fill it up with water, and then add a few drops of nail polish. The key is you don't want to add too much, and don't be scared if some of it sinks to the bottom of the container, no worries. I just made sure not to get the nail polish by the spot that you would drink out of, and if you hand wash these, you're good to go. You can also seal them with some type of food safe polyacrylic if you want them to last longer. This is a really easy one to do with your kids. Two other really common products from Dollar Tree are their tall pillar candles and their wall decals. And I absolutely love combining these two together. You can stick words down the side of the candle or add some embellishments. These look so beautiful on any shelf and can be made for less than $2. Next, we're making beautiful plant holders using Nautical rope, and these are a direct copy of something you'd find at Pottery Barn. You want to start with an old plate and some hot glue, and start by coiling your rope, adding little dabs of glue as you go. You don't need to overglue this one. Once you get to your desired size, start gluing up on the previous rope. This totally reminds me of Ceramics 101. Once you get to your desired height, give it a snip, and now you're gonna add the handles. I like to add handles that go all the way down the side of the basket because I think it looks really pretty. Measure out the desired size and then cut another one to the same length, and simply hot glue this on. This looks so beautiful if you want to stick this on a shelf to add a plant in. And the shelf that I put this on, the wreath that I made, is also from the Dollar Tree. Next, we're making some beautiful framed art. I love the stretch wooden canvases, and you need 2 of them for this project. One of them you're gonna strip the canvas off of, and you're gonna keep the other one as is. Sand down the outside of the frame, and I decided to stain mine, but you could very easily paint this or just leave it bare. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Doitonadime, you know we adopted a brand new dog. We rescued him from a local organization. He's about 2 years old and his name is Copper. The kids are so excited. He's so great with them, and he is a total cuddle bug. And he is my running buddy. But we wanted to commemorate bringing him home, so I thought this craft was the perfect place to put a paw print. Take some non-toxic paint, and you can put a paw print right onto the canvas, and I decided to add his name in a little bit of pencil. This looks so cute and is a great way to remember the day we brought Copper home. Just gonna put him right to sleep.
All alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
If you guys enjoyed this video and want more Dollar Tree DIYs, you leave it a big thumbs up, or at the very least, leave a big thumbs up for Copper. We are so glad you're here. Click that subscribe button, join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you in the next one. I'll see you guys there. Bye. He's a good boy. Oh, thank you. He's very
toys.
You are fully living the life now. You realize that, right?